Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Welcome back. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Jessie. You can call me Jessie, you can call me Love, you can call me Rebel. And then if you are new here, I just want to let you guys know that I often review makeup products that you can find at Burlington, TJ Maxx, Nordstrom, so basically everything that is discounted. But if I have extra money, of course I would buy something that is like super new if I'm interested with it and if I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm here to save you guys money, obviously, and today's topic is going to be about a palette that existed around 2015, and it is the Stila Eyes Are the Window eyeshadow palette. So I'm not quite sure how many collections do they have in the Eyes Are the Window category, because I've tried to look it up online and like different palettes are showing up, but then again, like when I search it on their website, nothing really, falls down in the subcategory of this one, so I just searched it specifically. So I got mine at Marshall's for only $12.99. I am shocked to know that the original price of this one is actually $49. Like, ooh girl, you will be getting 12 shades, but now it is actually on sale from $49 to $34. So still, I got the cheapest one at Marshall's because, like, girl, come on. $12.99. And this palette is called Hope. Let me read what it says in the back. Inspired by the spiritual notion that true beauty reveals from within, this luxurious palette is curated with 12 shades to illuminate inner beauty. And it also has all of the name of the shades here along with its ingredients. I really do think that that is helpful, especially if you are allergic to something. This is made in where? I can't find it. Oh, okay. Okay, this is, it says oh, it's made in the USA. Okay. All right. And in the other side, it says here, usage. Eyeshadows may be applied wet or dry. Now, I'm actually like typically that person doesn't really wet their eyeshadows. Maybe back in the day I do, but that doesn't really work for me. I actually love their glitter eyeshadows. To me, that is their most groundbreaking product. The last time I purchased their eyeshadow palette was, I'm not gonna lie, probably like 8 years ago, 9 years ago, a long time ago. At the back, you can also see all the name of the shades, which is really nice. It is perfect when you're doing, some looks and tutorials, and you will be getting 12 grams. Now, it says here you also have 24 months to play with this palette. The actual packaging, it is made out of plastic, and I absolutely love this gold. There is honestly something elegant about gold, in my opinion. Everything I see in gold, I feel like it's just luxurious. So let's open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. So you will be getting a large mirror. It's the same size, almost the same size as the actual packaging, and these are all your eyeshadows. Now, the reason why I picked this one up is because I just thought that, you know what? These are the colors that I will really realistically, like for example, if I work in an office that is not cosmetic related, this is something that I feel like I am more comfortable with to go for, which is weird. Like the transition of my makeup, I came from like all matte. I never freaking like metallic or shimmer or glitter on my eyes. From matte shades, I started to slowly go from like glittery, and then after the glittery moment I started to get like colorful eyeshadow palettes, and now I feel like I'm just really back to square one. I don't know why, but like I find these palettes exciting now, like just like mauves and browns and pinks and browns, not like super bright pink, if you guys know what I'm talking about, but like more on the natural side. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna give you guys some swatches first, and then after that I'm gonna show you guys how I created this look right over here, and then after that, of course, I'll give you guys my overall thoughts. So let's get on with the swatches. Okay, so the first eyeshadow that we have is called Dream. So it's like a satin finish, you guys. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see it clearly. Also, don't judge my acrylics. I know they're shipped And then next shade we have Elevate. So Elevate is more of like a cream shade, but you can't really see on camera. These two are actually satin finishes. They just look like it's matte, but in person, I really do think that it's more of like, you know, it has some reflection into it. And then the next shade is called Discover. Now, that is just a letdown. In my opinion, girl, if you are going to buy like a palette and a regular price of $49, that should be showing right there, okay? And then I can't even explain the color of this one because, like, again, like, it doesn't really show, but maybe if you wet it, it's more like a rose gold. And then you have the shade Believe. Believe is more of like, it's more of like an ashy color. So the next shade that we have is called Create. Now this is a very beautiful, more like orangey and bronzy. And then next we have Wish. Wish is a matte cocoa color. And then we have Aspire. Aspire is more of like, this one to me it's like bronze with a little hint of like pink with it. And then we have Enlighten. Okay, so Enlighten is a beautiful bronze color. Now we are down to our last 4 shades. We have Uplift. It doesn't really show that much, but later on I'll show you guys how it performs on my eyes. Kind of looks like, you know, kind of looks like blotchy, but the color stayed in my finger, which is weird. And then next we have Inspire. It's a beautiful dark green. And then we have Trust. It's nice chocolatey brown. Again, not really showing on the back of my hand. And then we have Love. So most of the eyeshadows, I just noticed that wherever you put them first, they just like stick there till the end of time. And then the swatches, this is what they look like. And we do not have a base because I just want to, you know, see their full potential even without the help of an eyeshadow primer or like a foundation. So let's go ahead and move on to the tutorial. I hope you guys do not mind. I have already done my brows offline. So first I'm going to be using the shade Elevate, and I am going to apply that under my brow bone. I have not set my entire eye area. As you guys can see, I have a very full coverage foundation all over my eyes and brows. And then I'm going to be using Trust. And the reason why I did not set my whole eye area is because I really wanted to see if this is going to cling or not. As you guys can see, I am struggling a little bit with this shade because it's really not clinging. So I have decided to use my finger to add a little bit of pressure, but still it's just, we're going to work on it. And then I'm going to be using the shade called Uplift on the inner corner of my eye as well as the outer. I'm going to create a halo eye makeup look because this is the type of look that we can use like a lot of colors instead of just like, you know, using like 2 eyeshadows or whatnot. But this shade specifically, I must say that it is very buildable. And then after that, I am going to be using Beauty for Real Finish Line 24/7 Liquid Eyeliner in Jet Black. So I'm actually liking the depth of my eye right now, but the color Enlighten is not really enlightening my mood because it's not showing. And then I'm going to be applying some lashes. These are faux lashes. And then after that, I'm going to be putting foundation on my face. The foundation that I'm using in this one is the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation in F2.50. Then using the translucent powder from Makeup Revolution, I'm just going to be setting my entire face. And then using the shade Love, I'm going to be applying that on my lower waterline along with a mascara to give that little, you know, smoky look effect. And then I'm going to be contouring my fat face with this Japanese face palette. I'm going to be grabbing that bronzer and just contour away till my heart, you know, till I'm completely satisfied. That's what I'm trying to say. And then I'm going to be grabbing this blush right over here. You know, this palette actually reminded me of like a Benefit Cheekathon palette very much. And then using this Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick in the shade Missy and Fierce, which, you know, I find it weird because I don't really use or wear a red lipstick, but I have this in my collection. And I was like, you know what, let's use it because it's just been sitting here for a really long time. And I think it has to do something with my eye makeup look as well. As you guys can see, the foundation is like exaggeratedly full coverage. So it kind of looks like I'm wearing a mask, and that is pretty much it. This is the makeup look, you guys. Hi everyone, I am finally ready to give you guys my overall thoughts. Now, in my opinion, if I'm gonna buy this in full price, I don't really see myself buying this in full price. In fact, even if I'm that person who doesn't return items, I feel like I would want to return this item if I buy this at Ulta. Just so because for $49, I want this to blend itself. I wanted it to have, you know, maximum pigmentation, though colors are buildable as far as all of the shades that I have used, but some of the shades here are quite difficult. So, you know, if you buy a prestige item, you expect a little bit more concerning the price. I do love the packaging and all of that, but if it's $12.99, I am still, I don't know why, but I'm like still contemplating if I didn't know that it performed this way, would I buy it even if it's $12.99? I don't think so. So bottom line is that I don't highly recommend it. It's not a bad palette, okay? It is buildable, it's a little powdery, you can work with it, yeah. If you're a fan of Stila, I think, you know, you'll like it, but like, again, like, it doesn't really work for me. I'm a type of person who is super easy to please. Can you work with it? Absolutely. You can work with anything if you wanted it to work. But the thing is that even if it's $12.99, my point is that there are already like a lot of products out there, especially indie brands, that their eyeshadows, they're selling it for like $15, $10, $5, but the performance is like really insane. You have ColourPop, you have Juvia's, you have Morphe, you know what I mean? So obviously, in my opinion, this is not Stila's best, but they do have like other amazing products such as their, you know, eyeliner. Their eyeliner is like definitely one of the best eyeliners in the entire, you know, planet, in my opinion. Their glitter shadows are the most groundbreaking product that they have, in my opinion. But for this one, no. Their duo eyeshadows though, I would say like that is like insane. But this one, the older version, this is like 2015, around 2015. I don't know, I don't even know if it's still good or not. Maybe it's like really, really old and they just like trying to like push it. I don't know. That's just my opinion on that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment box down below. What is your favorite item from Stila? Please let me know in the comment box down below. Or if you have not bought anything from Stila, and if you're interested to buy something from them, let me know what it is. I love talking to you guys in the comment box down below. Stay safe, stay clean, and I'll see you next time. Bye!